Hello everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean girl makeup look, and I'm going to be reviewing and I'm going to also be unboxing the products that Yesstyle sent me this week. So here are the products and let's get to the unboxing.
Don't need no coffee yet, got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, how did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
So first of all, I think that the makeup brushes that are in this kind of set, they are the ones that I use the most, and when I go out I think those are more practical because they are smaller in size and I think that they will be convenient. So I always wanted to have some too cool for school makeup, and now that I have it, we'll be trying it on later and I'm so excited.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute.
Forget about the pimple in my nose, please. And yeah, so I start with my skincare routine. I always do the same. Today I'm going to use the Maño sunscreen just so that I can try it out. And the sunscreen, it was really not a big deal. It wasn't smelly at all. So I don't know, it's like any other sunscreen. At least this one is vegan, so that's cool. And so, as I told you, today I'm going to be covering up my face because I have a pimple. And so yeah, this was kind of a clean makeup look, but like it is what it is. Sometimes you have to try and cover it up. At least I have now a smooth base to work on, and I'm now trying the blush. I think it's a really natural shade, like it's not even noticeable. I sometimes use too much blush and I don't know, I like this style, but not all the time I have to be wearing like full-on blush. I also tried for the first time having a brown eyeliner instead of a black eyeliner, and I think I like it a lot. Like, it's really natural. This kind of shadow that I'm putting on now, I think it's really pretty, it's really natural, and it just gives the sparkle that you need in your eyes when you don't feel like putting on some eyeshadows and stuff. And to end the makeup look, I'm putting on some of this lipstick. So I know that this video was kind of short, but I don't think I needed any more time to get ready for a simple makeup look as this. But anyways, I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, please subscribe. I will be doing more content like this. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.